Hi everyone, I'm Ashima. Today I'm going to tell you about time value of money. First of all, let's know why this concept is important to know. It's because a rupee today is worth more than a rupee in the future. The very first step is to identify your goals. And secondly, we need to invest considering the time value of money so that we can fulfill our goals fruitfully. This concept is for those who are trying to save money for a future goal and are wondering how much money would they need to achieve that in a given frame of time. So here's the concept. One thing you need to understand is that 10 rupees note is not worth 10 rupees next year. So here's the situation for you. If I give you a 2000 rupees note now, you start thinking of multiple things where you can use that money. And then I suddenly say, after 10 years, you are clueless, right? Because you know what you will be doing with that money now, and that may be buying your own house, but you do not know what to do with that money 10 years down the line. Now, what one should emphasize is the time value of money and not what would we do with the money in future. 2000 rupees today is worth more than 2000 in 10 years. If you don't take that money now and invest it at right place, you might lose an opportunity, and that is called an opportunity cost. So let's take an example to understand this better. Suppose you want to buy your own house and you want to calculate how much would it cost you in future, maybe 10 years down the line. To make the calculation easier, let's start with 1000 rupees. Suppose we want to save 1000 rupees for 10 years. Now, in 10 years, there are multiple investment opportunities. You can invest that 1000 rupees and get a rate of return of 2%, which will become 1020 next year. Or at 5%, 1050 next year. And similarly, you can choose an opportunity which is giving you a return of 10%, which will become 1100 rupees next year. We all notice that in 1 year we are getting rupees 1050 by investing it at 5% return. Here we see that 1000 today is of 50 rupees more value next year. This is called opportunity cost. Now let's calculate future value. Using this formula for future value, we have arrived to these numbers. In 1 year, it's 1000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.05 to the power 1 equals 1050 rupees next year. Using the same formula, rupees 1000 becomes rupees 1628 in 10 years. So we just saw calculating a future value can give you a clear vision of your goals. To sum it up, it's important to calculate a future value and also start investing wisely to achieve them. For any query or consultation, consult us, your financial partners, InvestorScope Financials.